In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print multiple slides with notes on one page in Google Slides. This can be extremely helpful when you're trying to condense information for a meeting or class presentation without sacrificing the valuable notes that you may have added for context or speaking cues. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening Google Slides and navigating to the presentation that you want to print. If you aren't logged in yet, make sure to use your Google account credentials to get access. Once you're in, locate the specific presentation file in your Google Drive or directly through Google Slides under your recent documents. Now, when you have your presentation opened, you're ready to proceed to the next crucial step, which is preparing your document for printing. At this stage, take a quick moment to review your slides and notes to ensure everything is in the right order and that there are no last-minute edits you need to make. This will help you avoid reprinting. With everything ready, head over to the File menu located in the upper left corner of your screen. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, find the Print Settings and Preview option, which will take you to a new view of your slides. Once in the Print Settings view, you'll notice several options that allow you to adjust how your slides will look when printed. This is where you can decide to print multiple slides on one page. Look for the drop-down menu that typically defaults to one slide without notes. Click on this drop-down menu to see a list of different configurations. Here's where you'll make crucial changes. You should select the layout option that supports multiple slides per page. Usually, you'll have options like 2 slides per page, 3 slides per page, and so on, depending on your specific needs. Make sure to choose the option that works best, but also one that ensures the text is still legible. Now, once you've chosen your preferred layout, the next step is to ensure that your notes are also included. You can usually find a With Notes option or checkbox. This setting ensures that the notes you painstakingly added to your slides are also part of your printout. Make sure this box is checked. After everything looks good in the preview, you're all set to print your document. Hit the Print button, which will bring up your printer settings. Ensure that your printer is properly connected and the paper is adequately loaded. In the printer settings, you might want to do a final check on the print quality and page orientation options like landscape or portrait to best fit your content. Double-check all configurations once more before you finally hit the Print command. And there you have it. That's how to print multiple slides with notes on one page in Google Slides. This method not only saves paper, but also ensures your presentations are as informative and efficient as possible. I hope you found this guide helpful. Enjoy creating your next presentation with ease.